So, as part of Ag Business, this semester you will be writing a business plan for an imaginary business, if you will. It could be a business that you hope to start one day, or maybe it's just something that you've thought about. If you remember from your information last week, there are 4 functions of management, and one of those happens to be planning. So the business plan is part of that planning phase if you are in fact going to start a business. I wanted to walk you through today how to do the business plan so that you will understand what each part is. So if you will come to our course in eLearn and click on content, then scroll down to the bottom of the modules list, you will see a module labeled business plan. Inside of this module, there are 3 things that are of importance to you. There's a rubric, which will show you how many points each part is worth. There's an outline that just shows you what the parts are. So as you are working through your business plan, you absolutely want to work down this list. I'm going to pull this up so you guys can see it here. So whenever you build your business plan or you're writing your business plan, these are your headings. You just need to put the information below them. So the first one is a business description. The business description really tells us what you're going to do and why you want to do it. So you should have 3 parts there. You should have a mission statement that has the goals for your business with kind of how you would assess these things in a timeline for when you want to start, a basic overview of the business, and then the products and services that your business plans to offer. Whenever you do the products and services portion or products or services portion, don't go into a great amount of detail here. If you notice under the competitor assessment, there's another place to look at the products and services that you are going to offer. So in your business description, it's really more giving us a general understanding of what you plan to offer. Then there's one other important thing here, and that is the Purdue business plan description. This is going to break down each part for you. So if you will click on the link, you will see a document that looks like this. And I'm going to scroll down to the 3rd page of this when it says elements of a business plan. Notice that it says that section 1 is a business description. Under that, it will give you guidelines for the mission statement. In other words, what are the opportunities and needs that you need to address in your business? What are you going to do to address those needs? What are the principal beliefs that guide your work? What is it that you really value? Are you going to offer a beef production because you think people should be able to buy locally? Or what is it that you are trying to accomplish? Then, if you scroll on to the next page, it will give you a little bit about a business overview. Here you can see that it will ask you to describe who the principal owners are. Are you a retailer? Are you a wholesaler? Are you a producer? Are you a manufacturer? Are you a processor? So describe your business as best you can. And then again, under products and services, give us a basic overview. For each section of the business plan, you will come back to this document and it will give you some guiding questions and a little more information about what to include in each of those sections. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, and good luck writing those rough drafts.